Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the image you want. Pick one with at least 1080 x 1920 pixels and a 16:9 feel so it won't stretch. Once done, save it to your phone's Photos or Files app. That makes selection immediate. Now open WhatsApp, tap Settings, go to Chats, and choose Wallpaper, then Change. This gets you straight into the wallpaper picker. Make sure to select whether this is for all chats or a specific contact, so you don't overwrite custom backgrounds later. Next, edit the photo so messages remain readable. Crop to the center, remove busy edges, and increase contrast slightly. You can apply a mild blur or dim overlay inside your photo editor to prevent text from becoming lost against a patterned background. Once edited, return to WhatsApp's wallpaper picker, choose the edited file, and use the preview to inspect message bubbles, timestamps, and icons. Make sure to toggle dark and light themes to confirm visibility across both modes. When you're satisfied, tap Set or Apply and select whether this wallpaper applies to all chats or just one contact. That final confirmation writes the image into WhatsApp. If you want to reuse it later, save an extra copy to Photos or cloud storage. If the wallpaper doesn't appear or looks distorted, make sure your WhatsApp is updated, clear the app cache, and restart the phone. If that still fails, re-export the image at a standard 1080 x 1920 resolution and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.